In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Express Affiliate Program. First, you need to join the EXPRESSVPN Affiliate Program. So go to the EXPRESSVPN official website and here click on Become an Affiliate. Make sure you have read all of its terms and conditions. Next, tap on Apply Now. On this page, you will need to fill in all your details. Add your details along with company details. Add your full name, email address, and password. After that, add your account display name and link to your website or social media account. You will also need to add your complete address and country. Lastly, add your mobile number and currency. Then add additional details including promotional information. After that, you will find the agreement and payout details. Once your account is created, you will get your affiliate link. Promote that link to get paid from EXPRESSVPN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.